Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and yep, let's just get into it. We could see that Bitcoin right now back to $37,779. Right now on the 12-hour, looks like we're getting a little bit of a green dot right now, so we might see a pump coming. But definitely pay attention to what the traditional markets are doing. Like I always say, right now we know that Biden had a nice speech today at 2 o'clock. Didn't really affect the markets too much, just basically imposing some sanctions on Russia, which is a lot of other countries are doing it. I know Australia is doing it. So yeah, right now that didn't seem to move the markets too much, but we do have that CPI data coming out in March 10, so I guess that's within maybe if we don't count this week, count next week, maybe in around 2 weeks we're gonna get that data. So hoping to see some big movements then, but for the time being, seems like Bitcoin could be forming a W pattern on the larger time frames. We can take a look at the daily time frame. Some people are talking about it, so I've heard about it and I've seen it. Maybe this W pattern could be in play right now. Let's get this thing out of the way, put it down here, there we go. So you guys can see, so we might even come back down as low as 34,000 or even 35,000 before we get a bottom in, and then we bounce from there. As you can see, the RSI hasn't fully bottomed out yet on the daily time frame, so another dump is quite possible. So this doesn't mean the end is near, or maybe this could have been the bottom here, right? And we start to go up again. But I'm gonna put my money where my mouth is, and right now I'm not too bullish, and there's a lot of reasons for that. We based others than just technical analysis. There's a lot of fundamentals that are making me not very bullish. We know that inflation is out of control and they're going to raise their rates, and historically raising the rates have been very bad for the stock market. We can see right now, the Nasdaq is going to be extremely affected by rising rates, as all these growth stocks and these momentum stocks are going to correct down to their fair value. And we can see the strong correlation that Bitcoin has with the Nasdaq. When the Nasdaq goes down, Bitcoin goes down. When the Nasdaq goes up, Bitcoin goes up. So we can see that Bitcoin we did take a dip down to 36,500, and then from there we had a rally back up to 38,400. Now we're starting to take a bit of a dip right now, getting rejected at 38,000. Right, some key support levels to be looking at would be right here. We can take a look at 34,500 like I've outlined, or after that some major support coming in at 31,400 and $29,300. So if you guys want access to all these charts, you definitely join the Discord, only $10 a month, links in the description. And we can see historically right here, it's been acting as strong support for a very long time, since January 21st, 2021. We could see there was support right here, support right here, support right here, support right here, and support right here. And it was, let's see if it's gonna, if we do take another dip, I still expect it to be support. Now like I said, when I put my money where my mouth is, I did buy some put options, right? Some long-term put options. I expect the price of Bitcoin to come down significantly in the long term, right? By long term, I mean maybe in the coming months. I don't mean in the coming years and years and years. In coming years and years and years, I'm very bullish on Bitcoin. I think it's going to appreciate significantly. But for the time being, I'm quite bearish. We can see that we have an 18 right now in the monthly and a -5. The month ends in 5 days, so maybe this could start to slow down. But the weekly does not look very good to me at all. We can see the money flow is down on the green, right? It's probably about to turn into the red. And the momentum waves have bottomed out. We did get another red dot, so week's not over. Still got 4 days, so let's see what happens. Let's see what happens in this last week and see what we can squeeze out of it. And a little bit of other news. Let's look at the traditional markets. We did come pretty close to our entry target at $24.40. So betting on shorting silver right here, as we are maintaining this big trend line. But we could still come back up. I still have my order open for you guys in the gold chat that are wondering what I'm doing with my silver trade. If the trade is still up, if I haven't made any notifications, my trade order is still open. So if we get filled in at $24.37, I'm betting on it coming back down, which would be a good time to reaccumulate on some silver stocks for everyone that didn't get into any of them. And then you guys can dollar cost average from there. Now in my opinion, this is the beginning of a very, very big super cycle for commodities and precious metals As we can see, the gold price has gone up significantly. Let's take a look at even bigger time frames on the weekly time frame. You know, we got this big rally from, you know, $700, $600 all the way to $2,000, and then that big slope up, right? That slope down, that big consolidation phase, and now we're back. We went back up, and now we're starting to consolidate again. And now, in my opinion, I think we're going to be able to reach $2,000 to $2,400 in gold very easily in the coming months. I think, you know, as we can see, we are starting to break some major resistance levels. 1900 is actually right here. I don't know why it's not showing. Maybe on daily time frame. Maybe I deleted it by accident. But yeah, I'll just put it back up right now. We can see that these levels right here is a significant point of resistance. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong gold chart right here. There we go. 1910 is a significant point of resistance right now, as we can see, getting rejected right now. So we might even come back down as low as 1872, test that as support, and maybe continue the run from there. Now we do have some economic news coming out soon, so stay tuned for that in the chat, guys, and I'll keep you guys up to date. But right now, for the Bitcoin price, if we do come down, like I said, we could maybe come down as low as 31,143. And also want to add to this, there's a lot of stuff to say today because a lot of stuff has happened. In my opinion, if Russia does invade Ukraine, it is going to be very bearish for Bitcoin, and I don't expect Bitcoin to stay afloat very long. I think the price will dip very quickly, as traditional markets will sell off quite rapidly as well. So always be ready for that, guys. And like, if you want my take on the situation, I think that peace operation is not so peaceful at all. I know I've seen a lot of videos on the internet, like everyone else does, and I do see like the good parts, like it's just business as usual. But at the same time, I see all these videos of people getting shelled, so like bombarded all the time. So I don't know what to make of it right now, but it doesn't look like it's going in the right direction. Anyways, guys, thanks for listening. As always, you guys have been awesome. Thank you so much for your support. We're at 8,100 subscribers. Once we get to 10,000, we're going to do that giveaway. You guys are awesome. I love you guys, and definitely join the Discord so I can teach you guys how to make some trades. And you get access to all these charts. By the way, I added everyone to the Google Sheet. That's a gold member today. Love you guys. Peace. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. Really appreciate the support, and just wanted to let you guys know that I'm going to be trading futures and options on Delta Exchange. You guys can definitely check them out. I'm very excited to partner up with them. I'm going to be trading perpetual contracts and option futures. So very first time you can be trading crypto futures and options with you guys. Definitely check them out. You guys can use my referral link in the description. If you need any more information, definitely join the Discord. I am happy to help you. Love you guys. Peace.